the dirt jumps, and yeah, I will see you there. And yeah, I'm watching trolls. Chips. Oh, Twinkie. I want an icy. I want chocolate chip cookie. Feels too tight, man.
Feel good?
Yep. Ow, my leg, dude. How are we gonna get up there?
You gonna ride?
How am I gonna ride like this? Hoo-wee. What the heck?
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa, whoa! Hoo-wee. The bumps. Oh. Dang, that is a lot of bumps. Wow, that's sad. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hoo-wee. Oh, so shaky. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Fast. Whoa! Dang, that is big. Yeah, that is big. Oh, dang, Dad, where did you go?
Ooh, you pump me up. You help me do it.
Hoo-wee! We're going to another skate park. The dirt jumps were really flooded because it was raining a lot yesterday. And yeah, I'll see you at another parkour. I mean, the wall. Here's off the wall there. That doesn't look like it.
It's undercover.
Cool.
You okay?
Yeah. Ooh. I jumped over the whole thing. Oh! That's like a raw ride. Woo-wee! First try!
Yeah.
First try!
Good job.
Alright, this time going on the big one. Okay, here we go. Oh! Ouch! Oh!
Get up.
Ow!
Up.
I can't. Oh! Oh, jeez. Ugh. Woo-wee. Oh! Oh, man. My nuts.
Yeah.
Ah, yay, yay. What? Saw me crash. Woo-wee. That's bad. Oh, I gotta take all this bloody stuff off. Woo-wee. Ah, nice and cold. Oh, that's the hard part. Ah. Woo-wee. The bad part was my priority. Let's go. My pedals are so slippery. Oh wait, that's cold water, Dad. Whoa! Look at that, Jake.
Boss. wants to be king!